The KOVIET 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner delivers high-efficiency cooling, perfect for keeping rooms between 400 to 700 square feet comfortably cool. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This is not just an air conditioner, it's a 6-in-1 climate control system. You get cooling, fan, dehumidifier, turbo, ECO, and sleep modes in one compact unit, letting you easily adjust the indoor environment to your preference. Whether it's humid summer air or a stuffy bedroom at night, this unit adjusts quickly and precisely. It's especially ideal for those who value convenience, offering app-based control from anywhere and compatibility with Alexa voice commands. You can schedule timers, monitor performance, set sleep modes, and even share access with family members directly from the KOVIET app. One of the standout features is its quiet operation, with a noise level of just 46 decibels. The built-in KOVIET rotary compressor and advanced crossflow duct design allow for a whisper-quiet performance, making it perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices. The KOVIET 2 shock absorber adds another layer of sound insulation, which means your comfort won't come at the cost of peace and quiet. Maintenance is minimal thanks to the self-evaporating system. In normal conditions, there's no need to manually drain water. It not only evaporates moisture automatically but also boosts the cooling capacity by up to 50% during operation. However, in extremely humid conditions or when using the dehumidifier mode, drainage may still be required. Installation is a breeze with the included adjustable window kit, fitting most vertical and horizontal sliding windows between 20 and 57 inches. No drilling is necessary, and universal caster wheels with a sturdy carry handle make it easy to move from room to room, whether it's your bedroom, garage, kitchen, or living space. Built for reliability, the KOVIET Portable AC includes a 1-year warranty and lifetime support from US-based specialists. You can reach out by phone during standard business hours or email 24/7 for any post-sale service. With its combination of intelligent cooling, smart features, and thoughtful design, this portable AC is a solid investment in year-round comfort.